If you're looking for a fun, sweet dessert for the kids to cook around the campfire, keep watching. You'll like this. So to make these things, it's really easy. You basically start with a single can biscuit. You want to roll it out into a snake. Let the kids roll them out. They can have fun with it. Kind of stretch it until you get it out there, you know, probably 8-10 inches long. Once you get a decent looking little roll here, you're going to basically pierce the end of your stick and then wrap it around tightly, kind of like a unicorn horn. When you get down to the bottom, make sure to pinch it on so that it holds onto the stick. It should only be about 6 inches long when you're done here, because you don't want it all stretched out. And then just hold it over the fire, or let the kids hold it over the fire. You're going to hold it there, kind of like marshmallows, depending on how toasted you want. But it's going to take about probably 5 minutes, and then you're going to turn it and do 5 minutes on the other side. Alright, once you have it that nice golden brown, you can kind of feel a little bit of crust on it. Go ahead and take you some butter and just rub up and down the length of that real good, making sure to get it coated good all the way around. Take you some cinnamon sugar sprinkles. Oh, that sprinkled it for sure. And enjoy you a quick, sweet treat around the campfire. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple sweet dessert that the kids can help make around the campfire. If you enjoyed what you saw, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button so that you're aware of future videos that come out. In the meantime, go out and try to make these on your own. Have some fun and watch these videos here.